Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. We want to be happy with so many ideas. Everyone is making his own idea. Now but these rascals do not know that what is the actual process for getting happiness. That is Krishna. That they do not know. Nate vidu shartha gatin hi Vishnu durasaya je bahirarthamani. You can see in your country. They are trying so many things. So many skyscraper buildings, so many motor cars, so many big cities, but there is no happiness. Because they do not know what is missing. That missing point we are giving. Here is, you take Krishna and you will be happy. This is our Krishna consciousness. Krishna and the living entity, they are very intimately connected. Like father and son, or friend, or master and servant, like that. We are very much intimately connected. But because we have forgotten our intimate relationship with Krishna and trying to become happy in this material world, therefore we have to undergo so much tribulations. This is it. Krishna bhuliya jiva bhogavancha kare. We living entities, we are trying to become happy within this material world. Why you are in the material world, why not in the spiritual world? In the spiritual world, nobody can become enjoyer, bhokta. That is only supreme. Bhoktaram jaggadamasam sarva. There is no mistake. There are also living entities, but they know perfectly well that real enjoyer, proprietor is Krishna. That is spiritual kingdom. Similarly, even in this material world, if we understand perfectly well that we are not enjoyer, Krishna is enjoyer, then it is spiritual world. This Krishna consciousness movement is trying to convince everyone that we are not enjoyer. Enjoyer is Krishna. Just like this whole body. The enjoyer is the stomach, and the hands and legs and eyes and ears and brains and everything. These should be engaged to find out the enjoyable things and put it in the stomach. This is natural. Similarly, we are part and parcel of God or Krishna. We are not enjoyer. In every religion it is accepted. Just like in Christian religion also, it is said, "Oh God, give us our daily bread." Bread we cannot manufacture. It must come from God. That is Vedic also version. Nitya nityanang chaitana chaitananang eko jo bahunam vidudhati kaman. God or Krishna, He gives everything, necessities of life, as you like. But if you accept your enjoyable things as you like, then you become entangled. But if you accept things to be enjoyed by you, tena taktena bhunjita, as Krishna offers you, then you become happy. If you make, just like a diseased patient, if he wants to enjoy life in his own whimsical way, he will continue his disease. But if he accepts the modes of life according to the direction of the physician, then he becomes free from it. So there are two methods, pravritti and nivitti. Pravritti means, I have got inclination to eat this or to enjoy this, why not? I shall do it. I have got my freedom. But you have no freedom, sir. You are simply, that is maya. You have no freedom. We get experience. Suppose there is very nice palatable food. If I think, let me eat as much possible, the next day I will have to starve. Immediately dysentery or indigestion. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.